Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. There are a few things that I need. Shout out to Millie Vanilli for gifting this to me because I definitely need to use it today. These are some of the other items that I will be using today in my painting journey. And so it begins. Okay, I'm gonna start off doing this. And then I'm probably gonna do this part of the stairs after that, this back part, because I'm gonna paint everything. What I'm not gonna paint is this, and this. I'm not painting that, just the, whatever this is called, and this of the stairs. This is my life because I didn't make any cold brew and I really need some coffee today, so it's gonna be hot coffee. I'm not a fan of hot coffee anymore since I've been drinking cold brew, but it's my own fault because I said when I was in the bed last night, girl, go down there and make you some cold brew, and I didn't. So we're gonna do hot coffee today. So if you've never used one of these, you just sit it on top of there, get you your bottled water and pour it in there. I'm gonna use 16 ounces, probably won't drink that much. Coffee beans, coffee grinder. So always grind your coffee beans on top of a paper plate in case you have some spillage. You'll need 4 tablespoons for 16 ounces. You wanna coarsely grind it. My water's done boiling, so I'm gonna unplug this, lift this up. So I have the 4 tablespoons of the coarsely ground coffee in there. You wanna pour just a little bit in to wake up the coffee, and that's enough. And then you'll wanna stir it around. After you stir this around, let it rest for 1 minute. This is just to wake up your coffee beans, and it's so funny because I had never used a French press before, and I bought one probably about a year ago, and this is probably my second time using it. Okay, so my minute is up. Pour the rest of your water in. Let it rest just like this for 4 minutes. Since I have to wait for 4 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and get my coffee ready. I'm going to add some brown sugar. If you've never had almond extract in your coffee, you should try it. It's really, really good. All right, my 4 minutes is up. This is securely on. All you'll wanna do is just push this down and then pour your cup of coffee sugar. Also, I add a splash of half and half. You don't understand how excited I am to get this done. Make sure that when you're painting, you're wearing clothes that don't matter. Don't wear your jewelry or anything like that that matter to you. Just protect your hair. In this case, I'm not gonna have to protect my hair because I'm not doing anything like on a ceiling or anything like that. Everything's gonna kind of be at waist length. But, whew, you guys, we moved in here in 2019, okay? We bought this condo in 2019, and I am finally fixing the stairs. I'm finally painting them, they're fixed. Everything is sturdy, with an exception of one stair. It's a little, but anyway, it doesn't even matter. So let's paint. Let's prepare this space for my paint. Not only do you need to protect your hair and your clothes, but you also need to protect your spaces. I've already been shaking this, but let's shake it a little bit more. Gloves. The wrong one. I gotta get the correct one. This is not gonna fit. Oh, yeah, it works, right? No, it does fit. Okay. And open your paint. If you are new here, my name is Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, and repairs. So this has been a series that's not doing very well on YouTube, but that's okay because I like to show you guys what I'm doing around my home in case it helps someone else. I'm not a professional. I just try to do things that my dad taught me when I was younger. One of the things that I've been working on are my stairs, as I previously stated. And if you have not been caught up with the videos that I previously did, I will be sure to link them in the description box. That way you can get caught up. If my content sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe because it helps me out. Leave a comment, hit the like button, hype up the video, HYPE, because I'm a small YouTuber and that really, really does help me. Here's a clip of the paint that I will be using to paint my stairs. I had to chip off all of the paint on that landing area and I just repainted it white. and I'm going to put a primer over it as well as the stairs at some point. I need to do that soon, but it's been a month now since I've actually done this project. It's time for me to do the touch-ups and that sort of thing. I probably will not be filming that again because for some reason these videos for my DIY projects and repairs are not doing well, and I don't know why, because if you are an amateur like me, you definitely should watch because you might learn something. You know what I'm saying? But everything around here is super dusty. I wanted to make sure that I got everything cleaned off, and I just did it with hot water. Okay, let the painting begin.
Baby's trying to pose.
This is a no-no. I will not be doing these. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I'm using this fine-haired paintbrush for the hard-to-reach places. Wow, that was a tongue twister. I had to say it like 3 times. You know, if you've been here for a while, I get caught up in tongue twisted all the time, but like especially with whatever I just said that I'm not going to repeat, okay? I must admit, there have been some hard lessons that I learned while doing this project, so I feel like I'm going to be well prepared for the next time. Hopefully there will not be a next time, but you never know, because at some point we definitely want to sell this condo and purchase a home, a different home that has a yard, that doesn't have a shared space, where I don't have to worry about somebody's dog attacking me every time I walk out of my house. I think my next major project will be that railing right there that's a completely different color than the stairs, than my floors, all of that. I just don't know if I want to purchase a new one or fix the area where it's broken. I personally do not think the railing is flattering. I think it's pretty ugly, to be honest with you. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. So I don't know if I want to buy a new one because they are super expensive, or if I just want to keep this one. Hear me out. We have these walls, this drywall that Miranda Homes puts in their homes. It's not sturdy at all whatsoever. I don't trust it. Anytime I hang up something, there ends up being an issue with the nail, and I have to do all this rigmarole in order to hang pictures. So yeah, it's a big project for sure.
I have cleared out the room also that you can get to be the big spoon.
During this process, I made sure that I painted every other stair, and I allowed it to dry for about 48 hours, and then I went and painted the stairs that were not painted. I didn't show all that because I know painting can be boring, but you have to see the entire process to understand exactly what happened. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Again, please do not forget to leave me a comment, hit the like and the hype button, and if you are not subscribed, please do so. I mean, not to toot my own horn or anything, because I'm totally tooting it, because I should toot it. I should celebrate. This is a major accomplishment. Everything turned out very, very nicely. I was so determined. I did not want any help. I wanted to do it all by myself because I'm like, I'm a big girl and I just want to make myself proud. And I definitely did. So no more procrastinating. If there's something that you want to do but you're afraid, don't let fear put you in a bind. Do what you got to do. Step out on faith. Make sure you speak good things into your life. Speak good things into existence, like, oh, I know I can do this because I am more than a conqueror, okay? There's just certain things that you have to kind of like trick your mind into doing. But yes, this huge, huge project, y'all. Hours and hours and hours of labor. For my upcoming videos, I have a lot of decluttering to do, and I also have a lot of cleaning to do because I started a new job. And if you know anything about training, when you come home from work, all you want to do is shower, eat, and go to bed. And I just kind of been, doing that, exactly that. In between all that, I did finish a book called The Maid. Oh, it was good. Frida McFadden is the author, and I'm going to read the rest of that series. Very, very good. I hope you decide to stick around, and if you don't, then so long, farewell. But anyway, this is what the stairs are looking like. Totally painted. They look so good, and I appreciate you so much for being here. Leave me some great hearts in the comments if you've made it this far. Have a great day.